Hello Java enthusiasts, welcome back. In our today's video, we will be trying to understand what is a Java method and why these are known as the building blocks of our Java programming language. Let's get started. What are methods? See guys, in simple, Java method is a place where we'll be writing the business logic. These are the blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They allow us to break our code into smaller and more manageable pieces, making it easier to understand and maintain. Alright, so let's see how to write a method. Guys, in order to write a method, first obviously we should be knowing its syntax. The syntax of a method is, first we need to write access modifier. Just let me try to keep it like this. Okay, first we need to write access modifier. After that we should write return type. After that method name, parenthesis, open braces and close braces. Basically this is the syntax of a method. When you're speaking about the syntax, access modifiers, we can use any of these four access modifiers like public, private, protected and package private. Return type, we are having a lot of options, like we can use void, we can use all the 8 primitive data types, we can use classes, we can use interfaces, like that. Lot of options are there. Method name, yeah, of course we can give any method name basing upon the rules, following the rules of the Java identifier. Alright, so let's try to see this with an example. Right, now please check this guys. This is a program. Okay, I'm having a class, public class A. Let me just try to increase it. Okay, now I want to write a method. Right, let me make it like public access modifier, void, return type, method name, open braces and close braces. Now I want to make it as a parameterizer method. Okay, just let me try to make it like int num1 comma num2 parameterizer method. Let me just try to make this as int, means I'm changing the return type of the method from void to int. Okay, so just let me try to print system.out.println. I'll use a simple statement, method one call, and I'm going to return num1 plus num2. I'm just trying to return the sum of these two parameters. Alright, let me just try to go with my main method. Inside my main method, I'm creating an object, new class A. Just let me try to give a reference, AOBJ belongs to class A, and here system.out.println, I'm going to print addition plus AOBJ dot method one. And you know, if I'm directly passing like this, if I'm directly trying to write a method like this, we'll be getting an error. Why? Because you know, this method one is a parameterizer method, so we need to pass parameters. All right, just let me try to pass parameters 99 and 1, just like that. Now if I execute my program, before executing my program guys, 99 means the value of num1 is 99 and 1, the value of num2 is 1. So if I execute my program, here we are calling method 1 and num1 value will be 99, num2 value will be 1. We will be getting an output that is method 1 call, and method 1 is returning number 1 plus number 2, that is 99 plus 1, that value will be 100, which will be printed here. So if we execute our program, we will be able to get our output like this. As simple as this. And there you have it guys. In this video you learn the basics of a Java method. See guys, these are the foundations of every Java program, so mastering them is a key to become a proficient Java developer. Keep coding and exploring the endless possibilities of these methods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more similar such content. Until next episode, happy coding guys.